So much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me.
Lions don't lose sleep over the opinion of sheep. On the road to the riches, money sticking to my cleats. I am many feet, skin noir, darky meat. Niggas with the most opinions usually have the least. It's funny how now rappers be on they druggy shit. Downloaded my tape, sat back, study shit. Acid pack 100 hits, shroom caps and hash bricks. Trippy like that Destiny Child shit on 106. This white bitch had the fucking nerve to call me a nigga when she the one paying the surgeon for her lips to get bigger. Do you get the bigger picture? Shit is back with my nigga. You sneak dissing, taking jabs will get your boxing on, cause you ain't get the word. I'm Glock Lesnar in the octagon. This shit is straight absurd. Do not hit me cause your life is shitty. I show no pity, you turd. You better off in the dirt. Now you better off dead like the title of my work.
So much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me.
Every day, me and Mary Jane. You might say I'm addicted, but me, I'm truly lifted. Stone so loud, you can hear me in the crowd. Smoking Girl Scout, I'm sour by the ass. Mary never cheat me. Mary not a backstabbing bitch that'll lie and deceive me. Spread it even. Hash wax in the evening. Dab or die trying on the road to Zion. Damn, they tryna stick me for my paper. They tryna take me under. I seen it through the vapors. Jealous ones still envy. Got a couple real with me. And my bitch will chuck some shit and smoke the kill with me. Meat will hide the body. Enough of that though. They saying talk is cheap, so I be smiling when we meet. They screaming. Zombies out in England, but I'm on the block with Mary pushing and dreaming. I'm feeling myself. This push is finest, spitting riddles, more instrumentals. Trippy life, butter in the night. Feel my appetite, feel my appetite.
So much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me.
Could be your mans, or be your fan, or be your kin. Pay your dues, man, I gotta choose whether I lose or win this vote.